Welcome back. Once again, we will talk about clothes. The vocabulary from the previous video. Casual clothes. Formal clothes. Dress. Tracksuit. Sweater. Trousers. Coat. Tie. Shoelaces. Casual clothes. Formal clothes. Dress. Shoelaces. Tracksuit. Sweater. Trousers. Coat. An tie. Actions with clothes, from previous part. To change clothes. For example, into formal clothes. To wear. For example, black clothes. To dress. For example, our kids. To put something on. For example, a sweater. To do something up. For example, your coat. Or the button of her shirt. To tie. For example, shoelaces. To untie. For example, the same shoelaces. To take something off. For example, your clothes. Okay, let's go on. Laundry. Laundry. Sauna. Fauna. Lunch. Launch. Hunch. Haunch. August. Author. Autumn. So remember. We say, laundry. Laundry. Or look at this. Aura. Audience. Cause. Because. Audio. Audit. Pause. Fault. Trauma. Daughter. Cauliflower. Action. Auction. Laundry room. I took my clothes to the laundry room. Wash. To wash. Washing machine. She put the laundry in the washing machine. Washing powder. Ariel is my favorite washing powder. Clothes horse. Laundry basket. Laundry basket and clothes horse. Clothes dryer. Dry. To dry. Dried. She loves dried fruit. Ironing board. Clothes iron. Clothes iron, an ironing board. To iron. Could you iron this shirt for me? Clothes hanger. He hung the shirt on a clothes hanger. Clothes rack. Shoe rack. Hat rack. Hat rack. Shoe rack. And clothes rack. Ow, 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 wait a second, we forgot about this word here. Underwear. Don't forget to take a change of underwear. In the next episode, we will continue this topic. Thanks for watching.